Want to create your own custom cross-stitch pattern, but don't know where to start? In this video, Valerie da Silva, a professional cross-stitch designer, shows you the process of creating a custom pattern from scratch. Every detail, color choice, adjustments, care with each stitch. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, this video will give you the confidence to create your own unique designs. I've been a designer for over 7 years. Custom cross-stitch is a passion, and I'd be happy to collaborate on your future projects. Send the image you want to transform to valeriecrossstitchdesign